Hey y'all, it's your girl NueNew the Hair Diva, and I'm back with you with a Vox box by Influenster. This one has all these wonderful items that you can see inside it. And if you have followed me on my Instagram, you would have seen me do a opening of this Influencer box. So really quickly, I just wanted to come in and show you what I got in my box and just lightly talk about it. So right here we have these red vines twists. They are the original twist, and they are 0.5 ounces. I really like these. They don't really taste too sweet, and as you can see, it has been opened. Me and the children have been eating on them, but I do like these as a little, snack. But before I get into everything else, let me just tell you about the Vox box by Influencer. This is a box that you can get for free. You get different varieties of items to try, to see if you like them or not. You don't have to pay for anything. In the description bar below, there will be a link to Influencer. If you wanted to try the program, you fill out your questionnaire and answer their questions, and they will decide if you will be one of many who gets a Influencer box. This is what it looks like in the front. And everything is for free. There's no shipping, no handling, there's no type of charge. And mainly all they require you to do is to show your box if you have a YouTube channel, or take pictures of your box for your Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, and then discuss the products after you have used them. So I have, like I said, opened up the red vines, and they taste very, very good. And I believe they're kind of like low in sugar as well. One of the next items that I got is this item here. It is called Attitude Live Consensuously. Now, if I said that wrong, I'm sorry. But this is worry-free ingredients. Is a shampoo color protection. And, this is very good that I have received this, because as you may know from my last video, I have cut and colored my hair. So I'm going to enjoy trying this to see how well it works on the red color. This is also 12 ounces. And it is supposed to be very conditioning as well as moisturizing. So it is the worry-free ingredients by Attitude Shampoo Color Protection. So we're going to see how that works, and I will, discuss it in a later video. The next item that I have here, I am so glad to receive this. And I have a small sample, which is the Blue Lizard Australian Sunscreen. Broad spectrum SPF of 30 plus. A zinc oxide formula, water resistant up to 80 minutes. And this is the Sport formula. This is 2 fluid ounces, 0.2 fluid ounces, I would say. And I'm glad to have received this. I am going to try this smaller one on my grandchildren, since they have been going swimming a lot, and to see, how the SPF actually works on them. However, they have sent a 3 fluid ounce size of Blue Lizard Australian Sunscreen. This here says, if you can see that, the cap turns blue in UV light. So yeah, I don't have a UV. Well, I do have UV light, but it's like for my nails, and maybe in a different video I will check that out. But this is also a broad spectrum of SPF 30. It is zinc oxide and titanium dioxide formula, paraben free, chemical free, and fragrance free. And this is the sensitive formula. It's also dermatological recommended. So yeah, like I said, once I try that a little bit more, I will discuss it and let you know how that works. But I am going to try this one out on my skin. I probably would do this on the grandchildren as well, since it says sensitive, and then maybe use this other one for the teenagers and see how they like it. Alright, the next thing here that we have back here, this is the Hada and Labo Tokyo Ultimate Anti-Aging Face Mask. So this is a mask. Okay. It's deep hydrating with super okay, here it is. NueNew having a hard time saying these words. And yeah, so it says drenches skin with a bottle of serum, boosts hydration, and restores firmness. Can't wait to see how this works. And then there are some examples of how to place it on the skin. So let me put that up there. Alright, last thing in here. It is so funny that I actually got these. I get motion sickness when I am in a car and I'm not the main one driving. A lot of bumps and just watching the scenery goes by definitely will give me motion sickness. So this is Dramamine. It is motion sickness relief, clinically tested, as well as it is a non-drowsy formula. It has natural ginger inside. I am so glad to get this because this will be a product that stays in my purse, especially if I have to go a good distance and I'm not the main person driving. I don't know why I get motion sickness. I guess it's because I'm able to watch the scenery move, and like I said, going over bumps and things like that, it just does something to me where I just get sick. So I am so grateful to have received this. The last few things that is in my box are these coupons here. I have a $3 off for the face mask that you see, and there are some other items here that I can use as well. So there's a $3 off coupon. The next coupon that I have is for Uncle Ben's, and I love Uncle Ben's rice. So when I get the opportunity to get to my food store, I will pick up some of the Uncle Ben's rice and use this coupon. I can get one free, any flavor that I choose. And I will, talk to you about that once I get it. The next thing is the Ore-Ida fries. You have the tater tots, the crispy fries. They also have like onion rings and things like that. And this allows me to get a free one as well. So once I go for the Uncle Ben's rice, I will pick this up also. The last thing in here that I see is the Blue Lizard Australian Sunscreen. This is a code that you can use for $10 off any order of $35 or more. And it expires August of this year. And then here are some examples of the different sunscreens that you can get. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try that. And this here Says the Nature Vox Box by Influenster. So cute. All the little duckies. And this pretty much is the card that lets you know how much everything is. The face mask, about $14.99. Uncle Ben's Rice, $2. The Blue Lizard Sensitive Sunscreen is $14.99. Blue Lizard Sport, a 3-ounce tube, is $12.99. The Dramamine runs between $4 and $8. And yeah, they have all the prices on this, and that's good to get. All right, everyone, I want to just say thank you so much for sticking me to the end of this video. Thank you to all who have left your beautiful comments. NueNew is doing so much better. I am just being a little lazy trying to make more videos, but I just want to let you all know that I appreciate you. All the new positive supporters, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. All of my regular positive supporters, please know that I love you, and I will be back on screen as soon as I can. To all be blessed. Wear your makeup, save your money, and NueNew will be with you in a few days with the next video. Bye.